Is success a matter of luck? How do you get lucky? How does luck find you? Does luck work all the time? Hey there, this is Jen. Welcome to this episode of Let's Get Real, where I want to talk to you all about luck. For a large part of my life growing up, I've often thought, what's the role of luck in our success? Does it happen with everyone? How can you get lucky? How can you find it? So, before I actually, tell you more, I would say that, I think, yes, luck does definitely play a role because, so many times you feel that you did not put in the effort to get what you deserve, but you still got there. That's good luck. Sometimes you try as hard as you want, but you just cannot push through that wall. That's bad luck. Now, let me talk about certain instances of my life because this is called Let's Get Real, where the agenda is to share some real life conversations, ideas, and just make it relatable. So, this is not some advice that I'm sharing with you. I'm just sharing my story or stories of people I see or hear around to give you more power because that's what I have felt can be very powerful. So, for example, if I talk about, Priyanka Chopra. So, I recently finished this book called Unfinished by Priyanka Chopra, and I love it. Maybe I'll post a review soon about how the book is, what I felt about it, but it's her story. That gave me a lot of strength because I felt so many similarities, so many aspirations, and that gives me a go to or a yes thing that yes, you can do it or things can change, etc. etc. So that's the power of stories, and that's what I'm trying to do. So, talking about luck, now, growing up, I've been a national level roller skater. I went to the national levels, but before that, there was a lot of things that played role. Luck primarily being one of them, especially the first time I qualified. Now, when I started with roller skating, I was really bad at it. I would fall, I would hurt my ass, I had like scratches, and I was slower than other people, which used to bother me. But I kept continuing. Of course, my mom had a major role to play there because I literally wanted to give up. I started making excuses about going to my skating classes, but she told me, continue for some more time. She did it in her ways, and I'm so, so, so grateful for that because I didn't know what was best for me at that point in time. I'm still figuring it out, but I know now better than I did at least back then. So, anyway, back to the point, I went for the state level competition, and that was my first state level. And I personally feel I was not good enough to come first. Yes, in the later years, I became better, but that first time, I was pretty okay. What happened in the race was the first race that we had, the time trial. So the time trial is the qualifier where I have to complete a certain distance within a set limit of time. And if I don't, I cannot qualify for the further races. You will not believe it, but if the time was about 50 seconds, I literally took 50 seconds. And that was a piece of luck because 1 second ahead or 1 second, 2 seconds ahead, I would be disqualified. But luck had my back then. Secondly, the road race. I was like, I don't know how I'm going to perform. Stamina was my strength, but I wasn't that fast yet. You will not believe there was just one other person who appeared, and I ended up coming first because I was better, and that way I came first in the road race. Finally, there was the rink race. There were three other people apart from me, and one of them was, the champion back then, state level, national level, and I was like, no way I can beat her. Or, I wasn't thinking about that, but I didn't know how I'd perform. That was my first state level race. I am not making this up. I wish I had this recorded. In the entire race, all my other three co-participants, they actually fell down once, and that was the reason I came first in that particular race. And I'm like, one person falls, you qualify, you make it to the nationals. Okay, understandable. Everyone falls and you end up coming first. You're like, what is that, right? Now, in this particular case, I think luck played a part. Okay. Yes, definitely, just to also save my self-image a bit. Yes, definitely, going forward, there were other state level races where I became better. I put in that effort and I ended up actually being in races where I would come first by a round. Okay, so yes, definitely I worked hard to reach that stage. But why it was important for me to tell you the beginning was because if that did not happen, I may not have had the motivation or, that grit to continue to reach where I did. Yeah. So, yeah, that's the first thing I wanted to share about luck, where yes, it did definitely play a role. Secondly, I just want to share a very quick incident today. I went to the doctor's and I had put on wireless, earbuds, right? And as soon as I reached there, while I was talking to the doctor, I realized, hey, I just have one earbud. I lost my other earbud. I'm like, okay, let me at least complete my conversation out of respect for the doctor. And especially, she had waited for me. I'm like, let me finish this conversation. And anyway, एक earbud का कोई क्या ही कर लेगा, right? So it's not like it's gonna get saved with me going out and coming back. I'm like, okay, let's wait. So I finished the conversation. I came out. I paid my consultation fee. The doctor had prescribed some medicines which I had to take afterwards. So what I did was, I was like, okay, it's nearby. I'll come take the medicines later. I paid the consultation fee. While I was paying that, there was one of the staff members there, and I asked him, Bhaiya, have you seen this earphone here by any chance? Because from whatever I could imagine, I'd have potentially dropped it while I was rushing inside after taking off my helmet. Right. So he said, no. I was like, okay, maybe I've lost it on the way. And with no hopes of finding it, I stepped out. I was feeling a little uncomfortable, a bit agitated, a bit disappointed in myself, but I didn't necessarily go into a guilt trip. To be very honest, I was thinking, okay, maybe it's a sign I should buy new earphones because I'd been thinking about it. So I started thinking of that. But I also thought, okay, what I'll do is I have to go somewhere else also. But I thought, let me go back my way. Let me at least put in my effort in finding it. But just before I did that, I recalculated and decided to go back inside to buy another medicine, which I thought I'll come by later. I thought one of them, let me buy now. And when I went inside, I realized I have some confusion, for which I went to ask the doctor about some clarification. And then I came out. And by the time I came out, and the guy had taken out the medicine, and I was about to pay, the other person who I spoke to about the earphones, he told me, is this what you were looking for? I'm like, yes. And I was so happy. And I was so excited because I did not expect it. And I literally got lucky because if I had left, okay, I don't know, I would have spent minutes in, the evening darkness and there's a curfew. I, went in a curfew because healthcare and doctor wise, it's still open and okay. But it would be so depressing in the evening, dark, searching for a piece of headphone and then reaching back home disappointed because it was here. I was never gonna find it, right? And yeah, luck had it. I didn't buy the medicine the first time. Maybe I would have left and these guys wouldn't have had my number to contact me in any way. And yeah, I would just be in that disappointment, right? So these are two places where I think I got lucky, right? So this is luck. Definitely, I think luck works because these factors were not in my control and yet they favored me. That means, yes, luck does work. Similarly, I'm sure bad luck also works. I don't really recall any incidents about bad luck as such, but I'm pretty sure it exists where you put in everything and with every chance of it happening, it still doesn't happen, right? Or you don't do anything and things go really wrong. Sometimes, we just fall down. It's a major fall, but the damage is so much. So, back to the point, how does luck work? Or when can you get lucky? Or how can you find luck? For most part of my life, I thought, hey, I used to get lucky and everything I've been good at, everything I have won or achieved, I would just credit it to luck. But growing up recently, one thing I've realized is you can only get lucky if you're trying, if you're working, if you're really doing something. So, for example, if I did not at least try to speak to that person that, hey, did you find it? Can you give it to me? He would never find it because it was so small, it wouldn't even strike him, nor would he try to find it. But because I put in the effort, yes, luck favored me and I found it. If I was unlucky or if luck wasn't favoring me, he would have or could have found it after I left, right? Similarly, when I talk about my roller skating incident, what happened was I didn't just get lucky out of the blue. I used to toil hard. I used to listen to my coaches. I would really practice very, very hard to the best of my capabilities. But it was luck which gave me a further push to do what I was doing better. So, in that case, what I mean is, I don't think we can just sit and expect luck to come favor us. To get lucky, we have to continuously work hard. And when we are lucky, maybe that hard work, really takes us ahead. For example, if I talk about, Yashraj Mukherjee, he's an example which comes to my mind because I was really impressed when, he got famous and I checked out his Instagram profile and it stated that, wow, how creative and interestingly he had made those particular reels. Rashi, Chane, something, that cook, Rasoi mein kaun tha, Chane, something something, right? And two three other more bikini shoot and all that. So very creative, very nice. But if you check his Instagram feed, he was consistent for so freaking long. And when the chords hit right, he actually got the recognition. But had he just given up after not getting enough views, he'd never even get lucky. His work or word would never reach people. So, all in all, in conclusion, all I want to say is to get lucky, the first work is to, or the first thing is to show up. The first step is to continue, and the next step is to not give up. And I don't think we essentially can rely on luck. We have to rely on ourselves. It's just that I think if you really work hard enough, wish hard enough, and I think if you have good karma, which is something I believe in, your luck comes and it supports you. That's my thought on luck. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you found this video interesting. I look forward to seeing your comments below. Take care and have a great time. Bye bye.